Welcome to my channel. We have this question here to solve. The question says a force of 50 Newton moves an object through a distance of 10 meters. Calculate the work done. We have a solution. First, you need to bring out the parameters given to you in the question. The first parameter here, we have a force of 50 Newton. That is force F equals 50 Newton, and the object moves through a distance of 10 meters. That is distance D equals 10 meters, and you are to calculate the work done. Then work done W equals question unknown parameter. Then here, from the parameters given to you, work done is given as W equals force times distance. Then the next step is for you to substitute the known parameters to the formula. Then here you have that work done W equals force is given as 50. Then distance is given as 10. Then now 50 times 10, that gives you 500. Therefore, work done equals 500. And work done is measured in joule. Then to have here 500 joules. And this is the answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more physics solutions. See you in the next video.